When running a business, managing your financial records effectively is not just a good idea. It's a legal and operational necessity. Many small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, turn to professional bookkeeping services to ensure accuracy, compliance, and to gain valuable financial insights. Bookkeeper 360 is a prominent player in this space, offering a blend of human expertise and cutting-edge technology. When considering a service like Bookkeeper 360, understanding their licenses, which in this context refer to their service plans or subscriptions, is crucial. As an accounting software expert, I often encounter businesses asking, "What is the best Bookkeeper 360 license?" The truth is, there isn't a single best license. The ideal choice for your business depends entirely on your specific needs, the complexity of your financial transactions, your budget, and the level of support you require. Bookkeeper 360 structures its offerings to cater to a range of business sizes and complexities, from those needing occasional support to those requiring comprehensive, hands-on financial management. Let's delve into the various service levels or licenses offered by Bookkeeper 360 to help you determine which might be the best fit for your business. Understanding Bookkeeper 360's service tiers. Bookkeeper 360 primarily offers a few core service tiers for its bookkeeping solutions, often supplemented by additional services like tax, payroll, and CFO advisory. The main bookkeeping packages typically revolve around the frequency and depth of service. 1. Pay-as-you-go/support plan. What it is. This plan is designed for businesses that prefer to manage most of their day-to-day bookkeeping tasks but occasionally need expert assistance, advice, or help with specific projects. It's less of a continuous license and more of an on-demand support model. Key features. Initial setup of your accounting system, often with QuickBooks Online or Xero. Training and guidance on how to manage your books. Periodic checkups, e.g. quarterly, to ensure everything is on track. A set number of support hours per month, e.g. 2 hours, with additional hours billed hourly. Best for startups or very small businesses with relatively simple financials. Business owners who are comfortable doing most of the data entry and reconciliation themselves but want professional oversight and a safety net for questions or complex issues. Those looking for a cost-effective way to get professional accounting advice without a full-time commitment. Considerations. This plan requires you to be actively involved in your daily bookkeeping. If you fall behind, catching up can incur additional hourly costs. 2. Monthly bookkeeping plan. What it is. This is a more hands-on, recurring service where Bookkeeper 360 takes over a significant portion of your monthly bookkeeping responsibilities. Key features. Dedicated accountant who works with your business. Monthly bookkeeping services, cash or accrual basis accounting, depending on your needs. Monthly financial reporting, e.g., profit and loss, balance sheet. Bank and credit card reconciliations. Potentially includes basic bill pay and customer invoicing services, though some sources indicate these might be add-ons. Monthly financial reviews to discuss your business performance. Best for small to medium-sized businesses with a steady volume of transactions. Business owners who want to offload the recurring task of bookkeeping to professionals to focus on core business operations. Companies needing consistent, accurate financial statements for internal decision-making or external stakeholders. Investors, lenders. Considerations. The pricing for this plan typically scales with your monthly expenses or transaction volume. Ensure the included features meet your needs. Complex invoicing or high-volume bill payments might be separate add-ons. 3. Weekly bookkeeping plan. What it is. This is Bookkeeper 360's most comprehensive and proactive bookkeeping service, offering frequent updates and deeper engagement. Key features. All features of the monthly plan. Bookkeeping performed on a weekly basis, ensuring your financials are almost always up to date. More frequent financial reviews, e.g., weekly catch-up calls, often includes more integrated services like invoice and expense management. Technology consulting to optimize your accounting tech stack. Best for growth stage businesses with high transaction volumes or complex operations that require real-time financial data. Companies that need very frequent financial insights for rapid decision-making. Businesses with a dedicated focus on cash flow management and optimization. Considerations. This is the highest-tier bookkeeping service and comes with a corresponding price point. It's ideal for businesses where the value of weekly insights outweighs the additional cost. Additional services and add-ons. Beyond the core bookkeeping licenses, Bookkeeper 360 offers a range of valuable add-on services that can be bundled or engaged separately. Payroll and HR, full-service payroll processing, direct deposit, tax filings, W-2s, 1099s, benefits integration, time tracking, and HR expert support. This is crucial for any business with employees. Tax services, business and individual tax preparation and filings, sales tax reporting, and comprehensive tax planning and advisory. CFO advisory services. For businesses needing strategic financial guidance, this includes services like cash flow optimization, KPI reporting, profitability analysis, budgeting, forecasting, and strategic planning. These services are often tiered, e.g., advisory, coaching, or project-based. Catch-up bookkeeping. For businesses whose books are behind, Bookkeeper 360 can perform a historical cleanup to bring them up to date, usually for an additional fee or project cost. Bookkeeper 360 app. This is a standalone app, integrates with QuickBooks and Xero, that provides real-time dashboards and financial insights for $19.99 per month, even if you don't subscribe to their full bookkeeping services. This is a license for their insights software. Determining the best license for you. To find the best Bookkeeper 360 license for your business, consider these factors. Your current accounting software. Bookkeeper 360 integrates seamlessly with QuickBooks Online and Xero. Ensure your current setup is compatible or be prepared to migrate. Volume and complexity of transactions. A handful of transactions versus hundreds daily will dictate whether monthly or weekly services are more appropriate. Your budget. Clearly define what you can afford for ongoing bookkeeping services. Your time and expertise. How much time are you willing/able to dedicate to managing your books? How confident are you in your accounting knowledge? Growth stage. Are you a stable small business or a rapidly growing startup that needs more frequent insights and strategic guidance? Specific needs. Do you need payroll, tax preparation, or high-level CFO advisory in addition to basic bookkeeping? Ultimately, the best Bookkeeper 360 license is the one that aligns perfectly with your business's financial complexity, operational needs, growth trajectory, and budget. Bookkeeper 360's strength lies in its ability to offer a scalable solution, allowing businesses to start with essential support and add more comprehensive services as they grow and their financial management requirements evolve. A consultation with their team, which they often offer for free, can help you accurately assess your needs and tailor the right service package.